One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work.